Hi, my name is Deandra Ford Wing, and I am the Director of Customer Success for the Conversion Cloud. Thank you so much for joining me today to talk about Schedule Genie. Schedule Genie is one of our premier apps that allows customers or prospects to schedule in person or virtual tours or appointments with businesses. This allows businesses to see who is interested in what they have to offer and allows us to easily customize this particular platform. So, with that said, let's go in directly into Schedule Genie's dashboard and we'll take a look and see what we can do in it. So, this page you're seeing right now is where we can actually customize our Schedule Genie. We'll start with appointment duration. What this means is how long do we want the appointments to last? We can go anywhere from 0 minutes on up to 2 hours and 15 minutes, but we'll stick with 1 hour for now for the appointment availability or duration. Sorry about that. And so let's also talk about some key ideas about scheduling appointments. We want to know how much time do we have available between appointments. We can easily manipulate this and go from 30 minutes all the way up to 60 minutes and whatever you want. So if you want your availability between appointments to be 30 minutes, fantastic. If you want less time, all you have to do is toggle back and forth here and decrease the minutes that you have available for your appointment between times. So, how about appointments per day? Well, we can actually schedule with no limit, meaning we have an unlimited amount of appointments we can schedule per day. Or if we have limited staff, we can do anywhere from 1 to 4 or to 3, whatever you want to choose. I'm just going to do one appointment per day. And then we also have the option of how many appointments we have available for times per time slot. We usually keep this at one because of the fact that we don't want to double book appointments. So we'll keep this at one. And then we can also see how far in advance a prospect can schedule an appointment. I have this set at 6 months, but you can go all the way up to 1 year. So when we have all this to our liking, all we have to do is click save, and in real time, everything will be saved for you. So that brings us to the qualification questions. Now, these are key to actually weed out prospects that are either going to be good or bad or in the middle. So we have these set here at what is your website URL, what industry are you in, what is your biggest issue, and how much is the lead worth to you. Now, these are easily customizable. And then also we have a drop-down menu which you can choose from as well. So it's to make it as easy as possible. We can even toggle on and off if this is required or if it's not required. We'll keep them at required and hit save to make sure that they are actually still required. So that brings us to availability. When we talk about availability within Schedule Genie, we're mainly talking about how much time do we have available for appointments and what does that look like for our business. So the neat thing about Schedule Genie is that you have a calendar that you can adhere to and actually change as you wish. So if your business opens at 9 and you don't want to see customers or prospects until 10 a.m., all you have to do is just simply toggle with this little button here and say we open at 9, but we're not going to see appointments until 10. And if your business closes at 6, you want that last appointment to be at 5, all you do is toggle right here to end at 6. You can do this Monday through Tuesday or days that you wish. It does not matter. So if your office is actually closed on Saturdays and Sundays, all you have to do is deactivate that time and gray it out. And so Saturdays and Sundays are not available. Another neat thing about this tool is that you can actually allow for blocked time. So the days I have for blocked time on here are going to be your typical days like Thanksgiving, Christmas Eve, Christmas Day, and New Year's Day. If this changes for you in any way, all you have to do is add block time. And let's say you're closed for Easter. So this year, Easter falls on April the 4th, I believe. So we'll have that all day scheduled off and then we'll save. And that makes no sense because you're actually closing that day. But just in case people were confused about that, you can actually make it a block time for your company. All you have to do is just add that block time, and that's simply it. Thank you so much for joining me today. Have an incredible day.